How you doing today? Thanks on this Lexus IS 350. We're going to talk about the tunnel door for a minute. The tunnel door is one of my favorite tools to use. It goes out there, also in the building. Check it out. Tool I do like to use is the P&S Sidekick scrubber. It cleans the leather and all your interiors, surface of your interiors really well. Not tearing up the leather, and not tearing up the surface. For the wheels, we use a product called Wheel Ease, a non-acid wheel cleaner. As you can see, wheels are clean. No dirt in the wheel wells. No dirt in the barrels. I like to use the matte style pavement. The pavement on one side, and the box on the other side. What I'm about to apply now is a SiO2 spray sealer, spray wax. You can use it as a drying aid. Also, you can spray on it if the car is dry. It's a high gloss shine and it has up to 6 months of protection. This is another product that we use. It's called Blue Sapphire. It's a vinyl and rubber dressing.